Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. What's up? Welcome back to another video. And in this Tradingview Basics video, I want to explain how you can add indicators to your chart. And let's get right into it. First thing to add indicators is you have to go to this icon over here in the toolbar. When you hover over it, you can see indicators, metrics, and strategies. You have to click on this. Now you see this window will pop up, and over here you can see the indicators that you have selected as favorite. I will show you in a second how you can do that. But you can also search for indicators. So for example, if you want to add the RSI, which is very commonly used, you just type in RSI. Now you see the relative strength index show up over here. You can find it over at the technicals, and then it's relative strength index. And if you select star icon, then it also will be added to the favorites. So click on it to add it. Now you can see that the RSI is added. What I normally do is over here you go to the style settings, click on it. You can remove the MA line by deselecting this box. And also I will change the color for the RSI to white and make it a little thicker like this. So now you see that the RSI has been added to the chart over here. And let me give you one more example. So I'll go to this icon again, click on it. Now I'll search for MACD, which is another very popular indicator. It's the moving average convergence divergence. This is the one you need to have. It's also in the technical section if you haven't marked it as a favorite yet. So then go to the technical section, there you see it. Click on it, and now it will be added to the chart. So there are a whole lot of more indicators that you can just use for free. You can search for indicators. You can see an overview of all the indicators that are provided by Tradingview over at the technical step. And over at the community scripts you can see all kind of indicators that are uploaded by different developers. So there are a whole lot of indicators available for free. And you also have premium indicators. You can just type in a random letter, for example A, and then you see a whole lot of indicators popping up. So scroll through it, do your own research on indicators that are helpful. Also, I will explain what indicators always use. I will show you a couple of good strategies that you can use. So that and more is coming up in next videos. So this quick video was only to show you how to add indicators, and be on the lookout for new videos in which I will go all in detail on the best indicators, the best strategies, and everything else you need to know to be a good and profitable trader. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know also. I will do my best to help you out, reply to the comments, or even make a video about the thing that you have asked me. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.